Today is March 22nd, 2022, and it is Dr. Seuss's birthday, and it is also National Read Across America Day. So I thought I'd read one of my favorite books growing up, and that is The Sneeze. So this is The Sneeze by David Lloyd, pictures by Fritz Wegner. Once upon a time, there were a hat, a bench, a ball, a girl, a man, a dog, a newspaper, a suitcase. Who wore what? Did the man wear the hat? Did the girl wear the newspaper? Did the dog wear the suitcase? The girl wore the hat. Who carried what? Did the man carry the dog? Did the dog carry the suitcase? Did the girl carry the bench? The man carried the suitcase. Who sat where? Did the dog sit on the bench? Did the girl sit on the hat? Did the man sit on the ball? The man sat on the bench. Who read what? Did the dog read the newspaper? Did the girl read the suitcase? Did the man read the dog? The man read the newspaper. Who threw what? Did the man throw the bench? Did the girl throw the man? Did the dog throw the ball? The girl threw the ball. Who jumped over what? Did the man jump over the dog? Did the girl jump over the suitcase? Did the dog jump over the girl? The dog jumped over the suitcase. Who smiled? Did the man smile? Did the dog smile? Did the girl smile? The girl smiled. Who barked? Did the man bark? Did the dog bark? Did the girl bark? The dog barked. Who sneezed? Did the man sneeze? Did the dog sneeze? Did the girl sneeze? Ha, ha, ha-choo! The man sneezed. So what was the story? The man carrying the suitcase sat down on the bench and started reading the newspaper. The girl in the hat walked by with the dog. The girl threw the ball. The dog jumped over the suitcase. The girl smiled. The dog barked. The man sneezed. And what was in the suitcase? The largest handkerchief in the whole wide world.